28112, Boeing Tower, continue inbound. November 440 Juliet, Boeing Tower, how do you hear?
Loud clear, 04 Juliet.
04 Juliet, this is the third call for you. Squawk VFR, please.
Squawk VFR, 04 Juliet.
November 6 Mike Echo, base turn approved, cost break service to the 7-3, rotated to beam the Alpha 9er intersection, running 32 right, cleared to land, time for full flight, taxi back. Boeing 001 Heavy, experimental contact, set on departure.
Departure, thank you for your help, 1201.
What's on 18 Delta Boeing Tower by the fast on arrival on a 32 left, traffic over the ridge line on a Blake departure, Swift 900. Number 7 Kilo Juliet, caution service with 777 on short final for the parallel, base, turn base, running 32 right, clear, touch and go.
Tower, you get 660s with you, flight for inbound.
November 6 Mike Echo, your number 2 calling traffic turning right base, caution service to the 7-3, touching down on the parallel, running 32 right, clear, touch and go. This is 660 Boeing Tower, got 3 sessions of patterns of parallel, runway 32 left, clear to land, caution service for 777, just touching down for your runway.
Clear to land, 32 left, copy all.
Boeing 001, heavy experimental, turn left at Bravo 1, taxiing the parking via Bravo.
Left turn at Bravo 1 and via Bravo Boeing 001 Heavy.
Bravo 18 Delta, traffic 12 to 11 o'clock, 1.5 miles off the direction, Swift 1,400, just crossing the shoreline. November 913, traffic ahead into your left, a mile and a half inbound, 1,400, indicated traffic has been in sight.
913, happy traffic.
November 18 Delta, what's your aircraft type? November 18 Delta, roger. November 18 Delta, give me a wide left 360, please. November 6, Papa, traffic 2 mile final for the parallel to citation. You're following traffic at beam the Alpha 10 intersection, running 32 right, clear, touch and go. This is 660, traffic ahead into your right, a mile and a half on right base for the parallel.